Right now, the world sentiment score has surged to plus 0.12, with momentum jumping to plus 0.16. This is a notable spike compared to the historical baseline. What makes this moment particularly interesting is how these shifts align with recent global events, likely influencing public perception and sentiment. Our API captures this real-time data, returning not just sentiment scores, but also insights into 19 semantic clusters that illustrate the emotional landscape around the world. Imagine you're developing an application that predicts consumer behavior. By integrating our sentiment data, you could refine your models to account for these recent fluctuations, improving accuracy in forecasting trends or market movements. To dive deeper into how to leverage this data, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something insightful together.